Ayan guys, kung gusto nyo pumunta ng Canada, pumunta na kayo kasi fall season na doon ngayon. So napakasarap ng pakiramdam kapag ma-encounter nyo ang bansang Canada kasi malamig na, may snow pa. O 'di ba, winter sa Pilipinas kasi wala naman 'yan. All you have to do is just visit country of Canada. From the city of Canada. Ano ba city ng Canada? Vancouver, Canada? Is it Vancouver, the city of Canada? Anyways, shout out to our OFW who are working in abroad, in particular in Canada. Shout out to all of you. Just always do take care of yourselves and to all sacrifices that you